Hey, Mo here, Powerline Industries. How you doing? Want to show you our natural gas line of power washers or pressure washers. We call it natural gas because that's how it's heated. These are stationary. You mount them in your shop. I've got a few guys that mount them up in the air in their shops. We call this our natural gas series. But you can also get this heated with propane or diesel. Diesel would have a separate tank. Propane is your least efficiency as far as BTUs go. Oil fired, we call it, which is diesel, will have your best efficiency, but it's also going to be dirtier fuel, diesel, burning diesel. Still a lot of natural gas units. I can humbly say since the 80s, early 80s, I've been installing these. I've got some that are still running. So we're 2017, 2018 models. Gosh, it's more years than I can count. We're going to be more money than the other guys. You get what you pay for. That rules always has been, always will be in place. You get what you pay for in this world. Or we may not be more money. Just shop us and see. I will say we're the last, if not the very last, made in the USA product here. We've got great heating coil. It's US. Our steel is US. Pumps on the units. We go general pump. I'm going to show you how easy we've engineered these for service over the years. I like having a front panel. You can just take off. Boom, you're right to the pump. You're right to the belts. You're right to the motor. Matter of fact, it is a US motor. It's made in Tip City, Ohio. I was preaching a long time ago to buy US. You buy US, it keeps it in the States, and you're employing US citizens. Common sense says that's the best way to buy a product. You know, ask country of origin when you shop. I think if you're a city, municipality here in the US, I would support that. Canadian guys, I offer these to Canadian guys. They'll maybe find somebody up in Canada. Man, they're staying with Canadians. They know to keep Canadians employed. Something really to think about. I think about that a lot, have forever. Depending on the package that you want, I always like to include an hour meter, either electronic ignition or standing pilot. They both got their advantages and disadvantages. This unit doesn't kick on the burner until it senses water flow. It's got a thermostat right here on the outside, and it's right on the discharge. So you can really regulate the heat. If you've got a metal fab shop and you want to pre-wash, it comes with downstream injection. What that means is that it's post-coil. So if you're phosphatizing or sanitizing, you can run this into a barrel or a 5-gallon jug of whatever you're using and control the on and off with the gun. Now our units, I like to include 100 feet of non-marking hose, a wall mount hose reel, 5 gallons of ultra degreaser, or you go truck wash soap. So this unit really lends itself really well into like a trucking shop, automotive shop, where you want to clean the floors versus dragging around a little gasoline powered unit. Just a really great product to have. And it also, you can mount it about anywhere, but you got to have water, knife jack for the power, and gas availability. Of course, the gas shut on and shut off, and you got to run the exhaust stack up and through the roof. There is a power vent available, so you can go up and do a 90 out the wall. Is that 90 degrees? Yeah. 90 degrees out the wall. I had to think for a minute. End of the day, been off coffee for a while. All right, so this drum kit will make 55 gallons of a great ready-to-use degreaser. You can also pre-spray with this unit. With every unit, we've historically given away a mug on the natural gas power washer. And I want to show the back side of this real quick too. So I'll show that in the next video. All right, on the back side of the natural gas units, just want to point out we've got a stainless steel float tank I like stainless steel. Your water comes into that as you have it water feed and it automatically shuts off. I've had this style around for a long time. And just want to kind of show you the back side. You can always pull these forward and you're right to the motor. There's really good serviceability. I worked on these and started service as a kid. The more complicated they were, especially the foreign guys, God bless them, man, when they're working, they're great. But if you got a problem, you have to call their service place, where just about any HVAC guy on the planet, tongue-in-cheek, can fix these if you need a repair. Because it's really simple. I really try to keep it really simple. Keep it simple. It's easy to work on. Parts are inexpensive for them. Alrighty, well, that's the walk around. I want to maybe show one last time what we offer and a little bit of the comparisons. We can put the heater on this side or this side, depending on if you've got a retro, you're pulling one out, want to put one in. And we also can do a wall mount like a car wash. So you've got switches on the wall in another room and you want to pipe it through. Call us, we can help design that a little bit for you, for your truck wash or car wash. Not car wash, but if you got a truck wash you want to do. And we can do power assortments from 5 horsepower single phase up to 463 phase up to a 20 horsepower 10 gallon per minute 3000 psi, and they're huge. This is just a little guy, but thanks. Take care. Any questions, call us anytime.